So, okay, finally, we came to the player who plays the main voice, the significant electro piano sample or organ sample. And this sound is on the Drunken Master Break from DJ Dice. I used the same record for the bass and saxophone part at tutorial 1, and it sounds like this here. So, and as you heard, it's really long, many different tones inside the sample. So, and my aim is now to improve, but under the requirement of a given motive. To do this, I differentiate at first in this connection in two parts. The first main part, that means the pattern on the cross and on the record part goes as follows. That means we start on the one beat with the unison of the sample, and we play it in shape of a quarter note, and we cut this quarter note 4 times. So in a given time with a 1/16, like this here. So after this we make a 1/8 rest, in which I move the record silently back to the starting point. So, and then I play a little back scrape, and then once again the quarter note divided in 4 parts by the crossfader. It goes like this here. Over hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and I think this is really simple. Finally, I close the entire sequence after another 1/8 rest by producing some little E-tones, which which brings the record back to the unison of the sample. I mean this here. And you can create also different pitches to modify this entire pattern in an interesting way. So, and yeah, this is the base for further improvisation. Now we play only the discussed motive, but we can alternate absolutely the cue points of the whole samples, through which we obtain different acoustic results. I will demonstrate some little possibilities right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or this positioning. Okay, and as you heard, there are lots of possible. Try it. The definition of the cue point is very important at first. And yeah, what I try to say is, when you have a nice pattern or a really simple pattern on the cross and on the record, you can transfer this to different sound samples. So, and now I play the same pattern, the same sequence on the cross and on the record with another type of sound sample. So okay, this is it. I have used another type of sound material. That means when you got a pattern down, it's possible to create a harmonic sound characteristic by using different samples. Many turntablists, also very famous turntablists, especially at beat juggling, play over the years one and the same performance. They change only the samples to become another acoustical result. So finally, we came to the break part. It's basically comparable to the so-called baby steps performance. That means I play the main pattern once again, and then to arrive the next initial point from our new cue point. Okay, and like I said, it's basically like baby steps. That means we play a 1/8 note, then a 1/16 E tone with a lower motion intensity to not arrive the initial point once again, and then we came to the initial point. So okay, now the whole sequence over hi-hat 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, to build up interesting performance, you can modify the main pattern a little bit or in correspondence with the break section. That means I have also demonstrated this in the entire performance. When you play it like this here, so there are lots of possibilities possible. When you got it down, your main pattern, try to play it from another cue points, try to play it from with another sound material.